Assalamualaikum. Every time I scroll through my newsfeed, I see this hot trend video of making croissant using rice paper. I couldn't resist trying to see what they taste like. Of course, I know they won't have the same flaky, buttery texture as traditional croissant, but they look easy and fun to make. So why not give it a shot? Let's get started. First, we will use 2 eggs because I don't have normal size egg and using a small one instead, I use 4 eggs. Combine it with 60 ml unsweetened fresh milk, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, then half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon melted butter. Simple, right? Now let's mix it all up. Now dip each of the 5 rice paper sheets in the mixture. You should use a bigger bowl to make it easier to dip the rice paper. Once finished dipping all the rice paper, stack them on top of each other. Once they are all stacked, cut the stack into 3 parts like this. Now stack these 3 parts together just like how I'm doing in this video, and roll them up to form a croissant shape. It's a bit different from traditional croissant, but it's just as fun. Yes, it looks just like croissant. Nice! Now we sprinkle some of the sugar on top of the croissant. Place your rice paper croissant on a baking paper. Then we will put in the air fryer and bake them in 170cc for 15 minutes. Hopefully it will turn out with a good shape. Please! What's this? What? Is it look like croissant? Never mind, let's see how it tastes. Outside is crispy and inside look like mochi. The smell is quite nice, guys. Oh, so hot. I want to redo it to make a perfect shape of croissant. Let's redo it, guys. Still the same step, but this time I use a smaller rice paper. I want to have cutie mini puffy croissant. Okay, let's take it and roll it up. Please make it a success. Okay, roll. How come it look like shrimp now? Never mind, let's just bake it. Hopefully it will puffy later. Oh my god, it really look like a shrimp. What did I do wrong? Never mind, I'm done with this experiment. It's a unique and fun texture that's really interesting. But remember, this is just a playful twist. It's not going to replace the classic croissant. It's just something fun to try when you want to mix things up. So give this a try if you have free time and have some fun with it. And let me know how it turned out for you. Next time, we tackle the real deal, traditional croissant. Can't wait for that adventure. And here we are with our today's recipe. Rice paper croissant. Rice paper croissant. Does it look like croissant? My one failed. But you should try it and let me know if you can make the shape like croissant. Outside is crispy. If you can hear it, of course it's crispy from the rice paper, but inside look like chewy. Let's give it a try. Bismillah. Hot. Outside is crispy, inside is chewy like mochi. the taste is not bad. I prefer the original croissant better, obviously. This one just do for fun because this recently keep pop up on my reels. I want to give it a try, but not bad. You should try it and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to say, comment, feedback, or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.